how to delete all liked videos on YouTube mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your likes in the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to delete all your likes on your YouTube account. The first thing we need to do, open up the YouTube app, then select You in the bottom of the app. Once on You, select the gear in the top right, and then go down and select Manage All History. Once in here, all we need to do is select Interactions at the very top in this little menu, and then select Video Likes and Dislikes. From here, you'll see a full history of the likes and dislikes you've made on YouTube videos. Now you can delete them individually by selecting the little X, or even delete everything from one day by selecting that X right there. But if you want to delete your entire likes and dislikes history on YouTube, select the three dots at the very top and then select Delete All. You'll then get this message that says delete your likes and dislikes on YouTube video from all time. So all you need to do is select delete right there, and it will delete all of your likes and all of your dislikes on YouTube. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.